Question number 49. Which of the following statements is not true about chemical reactions? Option A, the ways which atoms are joined together are changed. Yes, atoms joined together changed. For example, sodium plus Cl2, NaCl. Correct, right? Atoms joined together changed. Na changed to NaCl, Cl changed to NaCl. So option A is true. Option B, the atoms are formed, new atoms are formed as products. This is wrong statement. What atoms present in the reactants, same atoms only present in the product also. No new atoms are formed. So that's why option B is correct. In the reactants, sodium and chlorine present. In the product also same atoms present, sodium and chlorine. No new atoms are formed. Hence option B is wrong statement. Option C, the starting substances are called reactants. Yes, starting substances are called reactants. Correct. The bonds of the reactants are broken and new bonds of the products are formed. Yes, X2 plus Y2 is gives rise to 2XY. X bond X, Y bond Y, new bond X bond Y. Okay, bonds are broken, new bonds are formed. X bond Y, new bond. Here X bond X, Y bond Y broken, new bond will be formed. So that is also correct about chemical reactions. So option B is not true about chemical reactions. Hence option B is correct. Next one. In a combustion reaction, one of the reactant is, in combustion reaction, oxygen is one of the reactant, right? Because combustion takes place in presence of oxygen. Okay, so oxygen is the right answer. Option C. 51. The type of reaction that takes place when one element react with the compound to form a new compound and different element is, one element, let's say X plus react with a compound AB. AB is compound to form a new compound and different element. Okay, new compound AX plus B, new compound AX and different element B. So tell me, is this reaction what type? Single displacement element compound to give different compound and different element. So this reaction is single displacement reaction. So option C is correct. 52. In a double replacement reaction, the dash. Option A, products always molecular. Yes. For suppose one example, AB, XY, B replaced by Y, Y replaced by B. So these are the, in double displacement reaction, the products always molecules. Yes, correct. This is molecule, this is molecule, not element. Both the products are molecules. That's why option A is correct. Option B, reactants are two ionic compounds. Reactants are two ionic compounds may or may not be correct. Why? Because double displacement reaction not only takes place between two ionic compounds, other than ionic compounds also double displacement takes place sometimes. Okay, that's why reactants are two ionic compounds may or may not be correct. Okay, so that's why exact right answer is option A. Option C, if reactants are two elements, then combination reaction takes place to form a single substance, not double displacement. Option D, products are a new element and a new compound. New element and new compound means that is single replacement reaction. Just now we discussed. In question number 51 we discussed. New element and new substance formed means that is a single replacement reaction. Hence what is the exact right answer for 52? Option A, products always molecular compounds. Next one, 53. What are the correct formulas and coefficients for the products of the following double replacement reaction? RbOH plus H3PO4. Here hydrogen replaced by Rb. Hydrogen replaced by Rb. Rb monovalent, Rb plus, hydrogen also monovalent. One hydrogen replaced by one Rb, three hydrogens replaced by three Rb because both are monovalent. Rb3PO4 plus H2O, 3H2O. This is the balanced equation. Then what is the right answer? Rb3PO4 and 3H2O. So option C is correct answer. Next one, 54. Which of the following statements is not true about the decomposition of a simple binary compound? Okay, for example, H2O. This is a simple binary compound. On decomposition gives what? H2 plus O2, right? Products are predictable, but option A given the products are unpredictable. Products are predictable, not unpredictable. So option A is not true. Hence correct answer is option A because that is the wrong statement. Let's check option B. The products are the constituent elements. Yes, products are in the decomposition reaction. The products are constituent elements. What are the constituent elements? Hydrogen and oxygen. So H2 and O2 in H2O. Next one. The reactant is a single substance. Yes, reactant is a single substance. Next one. The reactant could be an ionic or molecular compound. Yes, reactant may be ionic compound or any other compound. Ionic compound or molecular compound. This is molecule. For example, ionic compound. You can take ionic compound NaCl, Na plus Cl2 on decomposition, Na plus Cl2. Okay, so that's why question number 55. Which of the following statement is not true about double displacement reaction? The product may precipitate from solution. Yes, correct. Generally, the reactions in which precipitate is formed, generally double displacement reactions takes place. Already we discussed. The product may be gas. Yes, in some double displacement reactions, product may be gas also. The product may be molecular compound. Yes, product may be molecular compound also. The reactant may be a solid metal. No. If the reactant is solid metal, then double displacement reaction does not takes place. Double displacement reaction should be takes place between two molecular compounds or two ionic compounds only. If one is metal, another one is molecule, then single displacement reaction takes place, not double displacement reaction takes place if one of the reactant is solid metal. Okay, so then for 55, option D is not true. If one is, for example, Fe2O3 plus Al is gives rise to Al2O3 plus Fe. In this one is metal, then single replacement reaction takes place, not double replacement. Hence option D is not true. Okay, next one, question number 55. In a double replacement reaction, the reactants are usually a metal and non-metal. No, not correct. One of the reactant is often water. So that is also not correct. Third one, reactants are generally two ionic compounds in aqueous solution. Yes, correct. In double displacement reaction, reactants generally ionic compounds in aqueous solution. Ionic compounds in aqueous solution, ions are exchanged, then double displacement reaction takes place. Hence option C is the correct answer. Option D, energy in the form of heat or light is often produced. No, energy, heat, light often produced is wrong statement. So hence for question number 56, option C is correct answer. Okay, next one, 58. C3H7OH plus 9O2 is gives rise to 6O2, 6CO2 plus 8H2O is an example of which type reaction? Immediately we can identify that is a combustion reaction, right? Alcohol with O2, combustion gives CO2 and H2. Generally in combustion reactions, CO2 and H2O formed. Hence question number 58, option A is correct. Combustion reaction, ethyl alcohol, combustion in O2 gives CO2 and H2O. Next, which among the following is not a chemical change? Melting of ice, that is a physical change, not a chemical change. Remaining all are chemical change. Carbon cycle, dehydration of substances, fermentation of substances, these and all chemical changes, but melting of ice is a physical change. Okay, so option A is correct. 65. In the equation PbO2 plus 4HCl, PbCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2, which undergo oxidation. You know what is oxidation? Addition of oxygens, oxidation. Removal of hydrogen, oxidation. See, PbO2 to PbCl2. Here what happened? Oxygens are removed. That's why that is reduction. Okay. Next, HCl to Cl2. Here what happened? Hydrogen removed, right? Hydrogen removed means oxidation. So hence HCl to Cl2. This is oxidation process. So here chlorine undergo oxidation or hydrogen chloride. So what is the given answer here? Hydrogen chloride. Hydrochloric acid is the right answer. Got it? So option B is the correct answer for question number 65. Okay, so these are the some important questions from worksheet 1. Okay.